Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to export video log on Reddit. Maybe you want to keep a record of your saved videos or share them on other social media platforms. So today I'm going to show you how to export video log on Reddit. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, scroll up, and under Advanced section, you will now see this Export Video Log option. Since you wanted to export your video log on the platform, simply tap on this option. A menu will appear below where you will be presented with various sharing options, such as sending the video log via messaging apps, email, or other social media apps. Choose the method that suits your needs and follow the on screen prompts to complete the export. After that, you now have successfully exported a video log from Reddit. You can now keep track of your video activity and use the data for any other purpose you have in mind. There you go. If you wanted to know how to export video log on Reddit, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to export video log on Reddit, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.